Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to compare two popular affiliate marketing networks, Digistore and Impact Radius. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which platform is the best fit for your affiliate marketing needs in 2024. Let's start with Digistore. It's an affiliate network known for its user-friendly interface and a wide range of products across various niches. With over 8,000 products and 44 niches to choose from, Digistore offers attractive commission rates of up to 70%. Signing up for Digistore is free by using the link in the description, making it accessible to beginners and experienced marketers alike. The platform provides detailed analytics and reporting tools to track your performance and optimize your campaigns effectively. Now let's take a look at Impact Radius. It's another popular affiliate marketing network trusted by many big brands and advertisers. Impact Radius offers a vast selection of high-quality products and services to promote. One of its standout features is its advanced tracking technology, which provides accurate and real-time data on conversions and commissions. Impact Radius also offers various tools and resources to help affiliates succeed, including comprehensive reporting and optimization capabilities. So, which platform is the best for affiliate marketing in 2024? It ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a user-friendly interface and a wide range of products, Digistore may be the better option. On the other hand, if you value advanced tracking technology and robust reporting tools, Impact Radius could be the ideal choice. In conclusion, both Digistore and Impact Radius are reputable affiliate marketing networks with their own unique strengths. Consider your goals, preferences, and target audience when choosing the right platform for your affiliate marketing endeavors. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Impact Radius and Digistore for free.